back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Happy Wednesday. Today I am doing a bloom. I'm using some purples, or a purple and some blues, some TLPs in there, I believe. So I wanted to just do a little blowout on a little 16 by 16 canvas. I do apologize because normally I have two angles and one of my camera angles did not record properly, so I just have an overview. So I know sometimes when you spin a camera or spin a canvas and you're looking down over top of it, you get a little dizzy, so I do apologize. I am going first today because there is a little mini train happening with Mina and Karen and Kelly and Nate. If I'm not mistaken, they're doing some sort of Santa Fe kind of colors. The reason why I'm not a part of it, like I said, because I already painted this piece. So let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so I've been practicing my blooms and I'm using a new hair dryer. So I'm really trying to get these things going. I'm not liking what I did here, but I do like my color choices. So I'm gonna pour out some more of my pillow paint here. We're gonna give this another shot. So my first color I am using here is, and this is an 18 by 18 gallery wrap canvas. So my first color going down is Liquitex Basics and Dioxazine Purple. This is Glisten from TLP. And here we've got Amsterdam Greenish Blue. Got a little Comet from TLP. We got some Seaglass from TLP. And we've got some Creative Inspirations in Payne's Gray. I'm going to use white as my cell activator. High fan cool. Let's go. Got some good blowout there. I think the colors are going to stretch out and create something cool. All right, let's give this a spin and then I'll probably pick up and tilt. I think I'm going to bring this down a little bit. All right, so I like what's happened now. I want to spin and get any extra paint off the canvas. Love this color combo. Let's give it a spin. Love how it's opening up. This gorgeous, the purple, just fantastic. The greenish blue, the purple. The Seaglass is just faint. There's not a whole lot. It's coming out here on the ends. And then the Glisten and the sequin. They're kind of a little bit lost in there. But everything else is really, really beautiful. So what I'll do is I'm gonna clean up these edges. I'm gonna give it one more spin. I'll clean up the edges and I'll bring you guys in. Okay guys, here we are with the wet result. I really love this. It's very minimalistic. I'm loving the negative space. The dioxazine purple and the greenish blue are really playing cool together. Let me start you here in the left top left. All right, we're gonna see how this dries. I'll be back. All right, everyone, here we are with the dried result. This was a fun one to do. I like those purples and blues together, really cute. All right, everyone, that is the piece. So dried really beautiful. I love this blowout and I love how streaky it is. Got some great cells, especially the center there. Kind of gives me that little peacock cells. Really cool. But yeah, so this would get some probably a coat of resin because I think that's really gonna make it pop. But yeah, I just love, love, love this blowout so much. So thank you everyone. Also, I'm sure you have already heard, but I'm going to be teaching 2 classes at the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, Texas in September. So you can book your tickets now. Head over to fluidartexperience.com and book your classes with me or any of the other artists that are there. All right, everyone have a great week and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.